Is the Enhancement tab missing in Windows 11? Then you can try these following fixes. Now, before getting into advanced troubleshooting, you must update Windows to eliminate the possibility of an outdated Windows causing the problem. And to download the latest Windows update, open Settings menu, then choose Windows Update from the left panel, click the Check for Updates option, and if any update is found, it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your computer. Next, eliminate sound issues. You just have to open Settings, choose Troubleshoot, click on Troubleshoot in the System tab, select Other Troubleshooters, then click the Run option next to Playing Audio. Now in the Troubleshooter window, select the audio device in which the Enhancement tab is missing, then click Next. Now the troubleshooter will scan the selected audio device and suggest fixes that will help you restore the Enhancement tab. And for your last fix, reinstall the audio driver on your computer. But this involves in a system featuring Enhancement Smart Audio Driver. So do that by launching Control Panel, select Programs, then select Programs and Features, look for and then right-click on the Enhancement Smart Audio program, then choose Uninstall from the context menu. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After that, restart your computer and check for the problem. So those are the following fixes if your Enhancement tab is missing in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.